Well, hello. Liz Garcia here, founder of the AthenaArena.com, where I help you supercharge your business with what I call a Wonder Woman brand. But in order to do that, there's some foundational basics that need to be put in place. And today we're on checklist number 7, which is the all-important lead magnet. Now, maybe you've heard the phrase, maybe you haven't. If you haven't, a lead magnet is simply, when you go to a website and a window pops up and invites you in to give your email for something in return. That's a lead magnet. And in fact, this top 10 checklist is my lead magnet to you. So you've got to develop some sort of lead magnet or lead capture piece of content that's going to get people to want to engage with you. You want people to get to know you. And if you can do it with video like I'm doing right now, this is an excellent way. If people like you, they're going to like you. If they don't like you, they're not going to like you. It's like that's fine because you want them to know and love you or not. Video is a surefire way to get them going in that regard. Okay, but a good strategy for a lead magnet is, first of all, if you don't know what to do for a lead magnet, go back to the keyword marketing research report I have spoken about. And this is what I do in our business awareness boost, is I create the report so that now I have an understanding of where is it that what could be a great lead magnet for you, and make sure that lead magnet has significant search volume and interest online, because it's got to have some market interest. And if you don't know, you could spend a lot of time and effort developing the sales funnel that needs to be created after you deliver the lead, which we're going to talk about later on the next couple of videos. So that lead magnet should be super simple, because if you're as simple as it can be. And my lead magnet for this particular funnel that you're going through right now was a one-page PDF, a top 10 checklist. You want it super simple because most people don't have the bandwidth to go through an ebook, that's for sure. Ebooks are like off the table right now, unless you're giving it to people that already know you, okay? If you're generating leads, it's typically people that don't know you. They're known as a cold audience. It's got to be a super simple whatever, right? So I'm trying to make my videos 2 minutes or less. They're not, right now it's running over 2 minutes, but I'm trying to keep them short and sweet so you understand. So go back to that keyword research report. Generate a lead magnet that you can generate a lot of leads for and help grow your business. Okay, tomorrow we're going to talk about landing pages, lead magnets and landing pages. They're kind of all tied in together. Another foundational basic for your online success. And that is checklist item number 8. See you tomorrow for that.